Hey, it's Girl in the Verse. I'm at the Bitcoin conference here in Nashville, Tennessee, and today I'm with Ashu from Mara, GM.
Well, thank you.
So talk to me about Mara. What is Mara? Explain to me what this booth is.
Yeah, Marathon Digital Holdings is the largest publicly traded miner in the US. We have about 32 exahash of Bitcoin mining hash rate, on track to grow to 50 exahash or maybe more by the end of this year.
Wow.
We are also one of the biggest and the most technologically vertically integrated miners, which means we build everything from our mining machines to the systems where we keep them cool and run them, to all the hardware, PSUs, PDUs that goes in the data center, and the final orchestration layer, which is the pool, the mining pool, where we earn the Bitcoin.
That's very interesting. Let's show the booth here. I want to show maybe this. Explain to me what this is and how we are able to mine more.
Absolutely. So this is a very revolutionary cooling technology called two-phase immersion cooling. What that means is basically you have a dielectric fluid coolant here, which evaporates with the heat of the compute, the CPUs, GPUs. It goes up and there is a little condenser there at the top, which condenses it back into its liquid form right there. So the system is self-contained, closed loop. Nothing goes in, nothing comes out, and all the condensation, evaporation, which is the heat removal, happens in this tiny space. So as a result, it's a very efficient and compact system. You can put 4 times more the compute than any other cooling technology in this tiny system, and it's 6.5 times more efficient in removing that heat, which means basically if your $100 is cooling bill with any other cooling technology, it's 75% less with this cooling technology.
So this must be very good for miners.
It is very good for miners. So they have faced this unique challenge to be able to remove the heat from their machines as fast as possible. And this is right now the only technology that we can think of that we created for ourselves, with which you can put miners, leave them in a small tiny place like on a stranded power field or hydro dam, and it can keep mining for you for months without anyone having to worry about it.
Wow. So where can we learn more about this?
You can go to mara.com and you will see all our products. This thing is called 2PIC, and you will have all the literature, and there is some literature here which
Yes,
shows,
show us.
yeah. So for example, so you have the state-of-the-art miner S21, which is the industry's workhorse, and it's produced by this company Bitmain Antminer right across from us. Now if you notice that this is the spec rate for this S21, using this cooling technology, you can overclock this miner 22%. Means for one machine, you can extract 22% more juice out of it, and the efficiency does not change at all. It barely goes from 18 joules per terahash to 18.5. So it's essentially, it lowers your capex immediately by 25-30%. And that's why we love this.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hey, what's up?
But it's not something Genzio is afraid of.
If you want to survive, you got to build a house.
You know we do not understand. That we do not understand.
Ladies and gentlemen.
We're back at the Genzio Media House.
Awesome. Thanks so much for joining us today.